And I love you kasi ikaw ang aking palagi.
Work is almost over, summer's getting closer.
Hi mga Zeus! Magandang hapon. Hapon na dito today kasi hapon na kami nag-vlog. Hindi namin nakunan yung getting ready namin. Ayan, naka-ready kami ngayon. Because we are going to South. Dahil kami ay a-attend ni Andy ng wedding. And we don't know yet kung pwede naming sabihin kung sino sila. Basta ang kasal na ito ay malapit sa puso namin ni Auntie. Kilala na namin sila since mga bigets pa sila. Kaya kami ay ninong at ninang. Oh my God.
Sounds so old.
Oo, parang ang tanda naman namin. Actually, parang ito ang unang-una natin ang atin na ninong at ninang tayo.
First time.
So,
Pero ang ganda yung blue sky and the background.
Grabe yung nadaanan namin dito sa Calax. First time namin dumaan. I think it's new. Ano siya? Sobrang wala masyadong cars, walang traffic.
So, ang ganda yung
malinis. Ganda ng view, ang ganda ng sun, ang ganda ng sky pala. Sunroof kasi. So, ang ganda talaga. So, kung pupunta kayo bandang Tagaytay or Batangas, may daan dito sa may, ang exit namin ay Greenfields kanina. Doon nagsimula. Ang ganda talaga ng view. Wala kaming masabi. Pero halatang bago siya kasi sobrang linis. Anyways, we are 19 minutes doon sa location kung saan gagawin yung occasion. And we're not late naman. We are on time. And I think hindi naman yun agad magsisimula. Pero at least, pagdating namin doon, almost ready. Ayan. So, kami dalawa lang ni Andy. Yung mga bata, naiwan pa sa mami ko. Ayan. Shades ako kasi medyo silaw yarn. So, yun lang. Update namin kayo pag pwede namin sabihin ang mga ganap dito. See ya.
You keep turning heads when you walk by. If they only knew you left me blind. You don't even notice their starry eyes, 'cause you are looking straight into mine. Yeah, you could have anyone you want, but I'm the one who gets to take you home. It's the way that you love me in the morning. It's the way that you love me through the night. Let's just shut the blinds to keep the world inside. Now I know I'm yours till the end of time. I keep turning heads when I walk by. If they only knew that I am yours. I've had my fair share of love, but no one ever cared.
Raymond, bukal ba sa iyong kalooban ang pagparito upang makaisang dibdib sa Ayesa na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
Sa ngalan ng Ama at ng Anak at ng Espiritu Santo. Amen.
It's the way that you love me in the morning. It's the way that you love me through the night. Let's just shut the blinds to keep the world inside. Now I know I'm yours till the end of time. As long as I'm walking down the aisle, you're smiling, looking at me with tears.
Hello po. Kinakabahan ako actually. Ay, na maganap. Hindi kanina actually. hindi ko sure kung anong mararamdaman ko. Tapos sa mga 30 minutes na lang, doon na parang biglang nararamdaman ko na yung kaba. Yung excitement ba? Na nandito ako sa harapan mo ngayon. Ai, Lovey, fiancé, my bride, and my soon-to-be wife. Kwento ko lang kung paano kami nagkakilala ni Ai. Naalala ko ba nung una kitang nakita sa workshop, napatingin agad ako sa'yo. Dumaan sa akin si Ai sa harapan ko nun, tapos sabi ko, uy, ganda nun ah. Pero sabi ko nun, nalaman ko kasi na 14 years old ka lang at that time. At ako, 18 years old ako nun. So sabi ko talaga, no, kasi ang bata ni Ai, hindi ako bumabata sa bata. And Ai, I promise na to love you in good times and in bad. I love you. Kahit nasa tabi mo na, sa akin mo pa din inuutos. I love you. Kahit na feeling mo, ang galing-galing mo mag-drive. Tapos kapag nababadrip ako sa daan, aawayin mo ko. Pero pag ikaw yung nagdadrive, ikaw pa yung hahabol sa driver. I love you kahit na lahat ng kinakatakutan kong rides, mga activity, pinipilit mo talaga akong gawin ko. Kasi pag hindi ko ginawa, aawayin mo ko at hindi mo ako papansin. I love you kahit na pag nagpapamasahe ka, ikaw pa yung galit. Ang dami pang demands. I love you kasi sobrang mahal mo ang mga dogs natin. I love you kasi sobrang sarap mong magluto. At alam kong para sa akin. I love you every day and night. I will always love you kahit na kumulubot na ang mga mukha natin. And I love you kasi ikaw ang aking palagi.
Our baby will always be the best answered prayer ever. So today, Lovey, on our wedding day, one of the best days of our lives, I promise to walk with you through every season of life, to embrace the unknown hand in hand, to celebrate our victories and hold on to each other in the losses, knowing that no matter what comes, we are stronger together. I promise to see you, truly see you, not just as you are today, but as the man you are becoming, to cherish the depth of your heart, your mind, and your spirit, and to always remind you of your worth. I promise to be patient, more patient, to give grace when it's needed, to choose understanding over pride, and to always meet our challenges as a team, never as opponents, but as partners in this beautiful journey.
Something missing in my soul, chasing highs yet always feeling low. I remember how you looked, one hello and I was hooked, found the missing piece that made me whole. True love don't come round very often, it's like sunshine after the rain, but you you feel like fair. You got that!
Ayun na. Ayan. Ayan, congratulations. Ayun. Pakita mo yung second. Tsaka lang yung isa sa bulutan. Ayan. Ayun. Mag-wish ka hanggang ikaw ang sagot. Wait lang. Wait lang, ito lang muna magpasalamat sa kanilang dalo. Oh, yeah. Kasi nung mga panahon na sila dalawa talaga yung nagsasabi na tutulungan nila for yung pag-work, ganyan. Sila yung nagpakilala sa akin kay Sir Andy, kay
Ala! Perfect mo! Hindi ba ako perfect?
Mama, bakit yung makeup mo?
Uy, hindi ikaw yung bunti!
Deserve siya mo wait lang kasi! Deserve mo talaga siya. Kasi kahit ako, hanggang feel ko yung love niya sa akin, kaya congratulations! I'm so happy, super happy talaga.
Yun, nabiti.
Kumana?
Text na lang.